how to connect Epic Games to PS5. So we want to go to this website, epicgames.com, and then log in with our account, Epic Games account. Once we have been logged in, hover over your icon and go to accounts. Now from the account section here, we will go to apps and accounts from the left hand side. And once selected, you will see the PlayStation Network option right here. If we want to connect it to PS5, we'll simply click on connect, which will take us to a new page here, and it will show us our current email account and what is going to be linked. You can read more information here. Connecting your account for PlayStation will allow you to share your profile data, so on and so forth. Once you have connected your account for PlayStation, you will not be able to connect to a different PlayStation account to it. So if we click on connect account here, it will load up a new page and it will ask us to log in with our PlayStation info. After you have logged in, this will connect our PlayStation account to Epic Games. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.